Asinga kiechio boigo maiga yeri taria Peninah Malonza gotigwa maiga bunakoba omuwaziri o Wildlife and Heritage nigo omonogeri webunge enene Moses Wetangula aimoki egetambukiro na boigo kobeka chingwa na chabene bosio bwa babunge ase ogwanchira na gwatoka na boigo komoetia asogo chigotenenera esekteyo.
The House approves the appointment of Ms. Mercy Kiuru Wanjao CBS as the Secretary to the Cabinet. As members of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? Nay. The ayes have it. And the last vote, order, honorable members, the last vote is that the House rejects the appointment of the Honorable Peninah Malonza OGW as the Cabinet Secretary for Tourism, Wildlife and Heritage. Will as members of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? Nay. The nays have it. Now, all the honorable members, the upshot of that vote, honorable members, is that you have approved the appointment of all the nominees up to Mercy Kiuru Wanjao. You have negatived the rejection of Peninah Malonza. This means Peninah Malonza is now in purgatory. She's neither in heaven nor in hell. She's in purgatory. Now, the next move on Peninah Malonza, I have received and approved a motion by the Honorable Irene Kasalu that pursuant to the provisions of Article 152(2) of the Constitution and Sections 3 and 8 of the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approval Act 2011, this House approves the appointment of the Honorable Peninah Malonza OGW as the Cabinet Secretary for Tourism, Wildlife and Heritage. I will now put the question, which is that pursuant to the provisions of Articles 152(2) of the Constitution and Sections 3 and 8 of the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approval Act 2011, this House approves the appointment of the Honorable Peninah Malonza OGW as the Cabinet Secretary for Tourism, Wildlife and Heritage. As members of that opinion say aye. Aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.